Hi guys, I wanted to come on today and talk to you about fabric transfers. So, a lot of times, people, when you're new to designing and crafting with Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studios, a lot of times you can get some of the language confused and mixed up. And sometimes people think that fabric transfers is all about vinyl. They think that you have to actually have vinyl. This is vinyl to do a fabric transfer, which is not true. Okay. So you also have, besides the vinyl, you actually can purchase actually fabric transfers. Okay. So this is PEn+Gear, and you can purchase this at like Walmart, Target. You can get it at some of the craft stores will carry PEn+Gear, and you can also order it offline off of Amazon. Okay. But I want to talk to you today specifically about fabric transfers and to help you to understand. So this packet of PEn+Gear, it actually came with 15 transfer sheets. And in this combination, it's going to have 10 white and 5 dark to make up your 15. Okay. Um, what I like about this is you have a combination of light color transfers and dark color transfers. Um, and so it's going to meet your need. If you're doing a white shirt or a black shirt, you would be able to use this. Inside this packet, it's going to have several things. So it's going to have your actual transfer sheets. Now, to help you to understand your transfer sheets, you're going to have one that's going to have like two little blue lines, and you can kind of see that. It's going to have two blue lines going down the back of it. So if you were, for whatever reasons, to misplace this packaging, and you just have this sheet of paper, when you see those two blue lines, that's automatic to let you know that this is going to be used for dark color t-shirts. Okay, blue lines, dark color t-shirts. Okay, however, if you get one, and I'm not sure if you can see, this one is good. Let me make sure I got it on the right side. Yeah, this is the right side. You may not be able to see this one as good, but it has two red lines going down it. It's a red line here and a red line here. The red lines is for your white or your light color t-shirts. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are, this light is bright, you want to make sure that you're using the appropriate transfer sheet. Now, if you get confused, again, inside the packaging, you're also going to have instructions to tell you the same thing. So dark color, and notice that for the dark color, the lettering is blue. Okay, so that's an indication. Blue is for your dark. Okay, then you have another set of instructions that's in red, and that's letting you know that your red is for your light colors. Okay, so in this packaging, you're going to have two sets of instructions depending on if you're doing dark or if you're doing light color transfer. You're also going to have two silicone sheets. Okay, that's what this is. Do not throw this away. It's not just a divider of your paper. This is a silicone sheet that's supposed to be used with your transfer. Okay, so once you have um, completed your design and you have printed it out and you're getting ready to iron it on, or you're in the process of getting ready to make it in Cricut Design Space, for your dark color, do not mirror. Okay, do not mirror dark, but you will mirror on the light. If you forget and you have the PEn+Gear, guys, this has been a while since you've looked at it. Please, 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 I can't stress enough, go back to your instructions, okay? Because if you mess it up and you mirror on dark and you don't mirror on the light, you may as well throw it away. It's not going to be any good. There's no way to salvage it, okay? And then if you've ironed it on to whatever, without realizing that it's backwards, or not going in the right direction, then, give it to one of your kids or wear it as a night shirt, okay? But you won't be able to sell it or gift it to someone. All right, so silicone sheet. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to use this. So let's say that I have completed, I've completed my image. I've completed designing my image, and I'm ready to get ready to iron it on. Okay, So this one is my blue, so I'm not going to mirror it, okay? So what I'm going to do is on your blue, since you're not mirroring it, you are going to actually, excuse me, you're going to have a little side on here that you're going to peel off, okay? That backing is going to peel off on the blue. On the, oh, it's raining hard. It scared me. Sorry about that. But on the blue, there's a backing that you're going to peel off. After you have printed it out, you're going to peel that off, and then you're just going to lay your image down. You're going to put your silicone sheet on top of it. So it's going to be just like this, and then you're just going to iron it on. Okay? So your blue, I keep saying your blue, it's the blue lines, your dark transfer has a adhesive, not adhesive, but a backing on it that you're going to peel away after you have completed the printing, after you print it out, okay? Your white, however, does not peel away, okay? Your white does not peel away, okay? So your white or your light color, so your image is printed. I have to keep looking because the red is so light. Okay. So after you've printed it out, you're going to take it and you can cut away any excess. You can do the same thing on the dark color for the dark fabric transfers. You can cut away any excess. But on the white, after you've cut away the excess, you're just going to lay it face down onto your garment. So I would have it laying face down on my garment like this. Then I would put the silicone sheet on top of it. And then I would just iron it on. Okay, so do not trash the silicone sheet. You have two in this packet. They are a part of the process, okay? Because otherwise, if you were just going to lay this down and put your iron on top of it, you could ruin your transfer, okay? So you want to make sure you are using this silicone sheet. Do not throw them away. And again, this is PEn+Gear. It comes with 15 sheets. You can get it at Walmart, Target, any other craft stores. You can order it off Amazon. Sometimes PEn+Gear will get a bad rap, guys. People will say, don't buy PEn+Gear. It sucks. Okay? I've never had an issue with PEn+Gear. And I've been crafting now for 5 years. Never had an issue with PEn+Gear. So that's why I say if you haven't used it before, or if you haven't used it in a while and you need to refresh yourself, please, 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 depending on which, if you're doing dark or light color, look at your instructions to make sure you get it right. Okay, because the last thing you want to do is ruin the product. Okay, you're going to have a ruined fabric transfer. You also possibly could have already ruined your t-shirt. Now, with this fabric transfer, it doesn't say HTV, okay? It doesn't say heat transfer, but it says transfer, fabric transfer, which means, and you can see from the pictures, that it's going to take heat in order for it to work. It's not going to transfer any other way. You have to have heat. So you can use an iron. You can use your heat press. But there's different things that you can use to actually iron it on, okay? And then you want to follow the instructions based on if you have a heat press, then you want to make sure you're following the instructions for your heat press. And then in here, it's going to give you, like I said, everything you need, complete instructions for the fabric transfer. So this is PEn+Gear. Everything you need is in here besides whatever image you're going to use and besides the t-shirt. Those things aren't in here, of course, but everything else is in this packaging. There's nothing else you need. Don't get it confused. Because for your vinyl, you had to have a transfer sheet. You do not need a transfer sheet when you're working with fabric transfers. Everything is already in here. These two do not go together. Okay, so if someone told you make sure you get fabric transfers, make sure you get some Cricut transfer sheets. No, this is all you need besides your image or your lettering and whatever you're going to be ironing it on. Okay, so I wanted to come on and talk about PEn+Gear because it gets a bad rap, and mainly I think it's user error. That's just me. And that's why I say, look at the instructions. I can tell you, I can sit here all day and tell you how to use this, but until you get ready to use it, it's probably going to go out the window. So please, please, please look at your instructions. You have instructions in here for your dark and your light. You have a silicone sheet for both. And then you have your, of course, transfer sheets: blue for dark, red for light. Blue, do not mirror. Light, you do mirror. Okay, so I can't stress that enough. Again, if you forget to mirror or you mirrored and you did it wrong, just trash it or wear it as a nightshirt, or or what have you, but you won't be able to gift it or sell it because it's going to be wrong. All right. PEn+Gear, guys. Don't let people tell you that it sucks and it's no good. It's just depends on how you used it and did you use it right. Okay. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about PEn+Gear and fabric transfers, feel free to reach out. If you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're seeing me for the first time, then please like, share, and subscribe. Tell people about my YouTube channel. And if you're currently one of my group members on my Facebook group, not my Facebook page, but my Facebook group, and Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, then thank you guys so much for being in my group. And if you would like to join us, just send a request. And we keep it easy, breezy, beautiful inside Cricut, Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. Okay, no drama. Leave that outdoors. Okay, and we welcome everyone to Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the process of using PEn+Gear or how it's supposed to be used, then feel free in reaching out. And as always, my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.